How to do keyword research for your local business. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do local keyword research for your website and business that you have created. So let's get started. Whenever we create a new business or we create a new website, we want our business to land higher in Google search results. We want our business to be out there. So for that, we need to work on the keywords. We need to work on the SEO. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization, and we can improve our search engine optimization with different tools and different keywords, and we can also get our more traffic with this method. So that's what I will show you today, the free tools that we get for our business that help us improve the SEO. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. The first tool that you can avail is ads.google.com. Well, the tool is completely free and it is powered by Google. What else we can use when we have a tool from Google for our keyword research tool, right? It works on directly with Google, and signing up process is really easy. In order to get to your ads.google.com, you will simply get the option of sign in and start now. So if you have not signed in, you can simply click on sign in and sign in with your Google account. With Google Ads, we will be able to work on the SEO, we will be able to work on the location, we will be able to check the audience, from where we are getting the audience, and we also get our own keyword planner with Google Ads. So on Google, you will actually have to create an ad first. You can create a campaign on Google, and then we can also do keyword research. So when it comes to the Google Ads, it's actually now it's not free, and you will actually have to buy a plan, and it becomes a little complicated. So I have another platform for you as well. As a complete beginner, you can just go to wordstream.com. It is also a keyword tool that allows you to find these keywords, and it has different tools for us. Very good platform that you can use. So if you're looking for a Google Ads alternative, then you can simply go with WordStream. It is completely free. So let me show you how we do keyword research right here on WordStream. I'm actually creating a business which is a clothing business, okay? So what I will need to do is I need to search for some keywords that I need to add to my post, to my products, and to my descriptions. I will simply type in the word clothing. There you go, and click on find my keywords. Now WordStream will do its magic. It will find all the right keywords for me. So we can refine our search by choosing an industry. So we know that we actually have apparel, fashion, and jewelry, okay? And then we can also search by country. This helps us with our local SEO, and you can select your country from here where you actually run your business, and it will help you work on the local SEO of your website. I will click on continue, and you will see that it will just take a minute to consume all the results for us, to consume all the right words for us. So there you go. We have more than 500 keywords for just the word clothing, and we are actually getting results directly from Google Ads. That is why I said that it is actually the alternative, and it's really similar to Google Ads, and it works good with Google because the results are coming directly from Google. So let me show you how we actually check the right keyword. You can see right here that we have keywords such as women's clothing. Now you can see the monthly search volume for this one is more than 1 million. Top paid bid is 1.23, so this is actually the top of the page bid. Then we have top of the page bid high range, $6. So for this word right here, we can actually earn up to $6. Then we have competition, and it's a high competition keyword. Similarly, we have all of these other words. The more you scroll down, of course it will actually change. We have other words as well, such as jeans, shirts, clothing, formal dresses, outfits, coats and jackets, plus size dresses. We have leggings, we have shirts for women, pants for women. So these are the different keywords that we can simply go for, and now I know everything I need to know. We can also download the keywords from here. So this is actually the easiest way to get the keywords for your business. Then we can also go ahead and get our scores for the different keywords. Click on get your scores, and and it will take you to your Google Ads, that how it's performing. This is a more further step we take in order to link our website and business to WordStream, and it will take all the insights from our business right here, and it will show us the reports and insights. So you can do that, enter your email address, add your Google account, and it will take all the different results from your Google and it will show you how it looks. Now we can go back to WordStream, and let me actually show you another word quickly. Let's say that you are into YouTube. You want to do keyword research for your YouTube channel, okay? So I can go with software. There you go. And this time from industry, we're going to go with computer technology and internet. Then we have country. So I could change country from here, but for now, I'm again going with United States. Click on search and then it will take a minute. There you go. We have our words right here. And the results for this one is actually pretty amazing. You can see the first word is this one, and then the other one is YouTube downloader, audio editor, TurboTax, QuickBooks Online. So you can see right here, now we know all of these different keywords and their search. And we know that a lot of people are searching for all of these different words, and I can add them to my YouTube channel description. I can add them to my landing pages for my affiliate marketing. So it really helps us in all of the different niches, in all of the categories for our business. If it's on YouTube, if it's an affiliate marketing business, if it's an online business, it really helps us a lot in everything. I can just simply go ahead and download all keywords from this option right here, and it will allow me to download all of these keywords. You can see it has more than 500 keywords for me, and again, I can get my scores from this option. So WordStream is all-in-one platform with all the right basic features we need to do keyword research for our local business. Very easy platform to use as a complete beginner. You don't need to complicate things. You don't need to simply go ahead and create an account, create campaigns. You can do keyword research within minutes using WordStream. If you use WordStream, it will help you grow your business and you will be able to work on your SEO, and your business will land higher in search results on Google, and it will help you grow your business and run a successful business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.